Hidden beneath the lush greenery and limestone cliffs of central Vietnam lies a natural wonder so vast and spectacular that it defies imagination. The Son Doong Cave, the largest cave system in the world, discovered in 1991 by a local farmer named Ho Con. The cave remained largely unknown to the wider world until its official exploration in 2009 by a British expedition team led by Howard Limbert and his wife, Deb Limbert, along with a team of cavers from the British Cave Research Association. Since then, Son Doong has captured the hearts and imaginations of adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. Join us on an incredible journey into the heart of Son Doong Cave, Earth's largest underground marvel. Subscribe to our channel today and embark on unforgettable adventures, exploring the depths of this breathtaking natural wonder. Exploration and discovery, nestled within the verdant embrace of Vietnam's Phong Nha Ke Bang National Park. Son Doong Cave is a testament to the enigmatic allure of the Earth's subterranean realm. Discovered in 1991 by local farmer Ho Con, its existence remained shrouded in obscurity until the groundbreaking expedition led by British caving experts Howard and Deb Limbert in 2009. The journey to Son Doong begins with an arduous trek through dense tropical rainforests, where the chorus of wildlife provides a symphonic overture to the impending adventure. As explorers approach the yawning chasm that marks the entrance to the cave, a sense of anticipation permeates the air, heralding the commencement of an odyssey into the depths of the earth. Abseiling down sheer limestone cliffs and wading through subterranean rivers, adventurers are greeted by panoramas of otherworldly beauty. Vast caverns adorned with delicate formations, ethereal light filtering through unseen apertures above, and the distant echoes of underground rivers carving their path through the rock. The magnificence of Son Doong. Son Doong's dimensions defy comprehension, stretching over 5 miles, 9 kilometers in length, with caverns soaring to heights of 650 feet, 200 meters, and widths stretching to 490 feet, 150 meters. However, these measurements merely scratch the surface of its magnificence. Son Doong's labyrinthine passages, adorned with colossal stalagmites and stalactites, weave a narrative of geological epochs, showcasing the sculpting hand of time over millions of each chamber, each crevice whispers tales of Earth's tumultuous history, offering a rare glimpse into the planet's geological past. Contrary to its desolate appearance, Son Doong is a thriving ecosystem, teeming with life that has adapted to the harsh conditions of perpetual darkness. Within its depths, unique species of flora and fauna have evolved to exploit the cave's microclimates, from albino insects to blind fish dwelling in subterranean pools. Bat colonies roosting within the cave provide a vital source of nutrients through their guano, sustaining a delicate web of life within this sunless realm. However, this fragile ecosystem is susceptible to disturbance, underscoring the importance of responsible tourism and conservation efforts to safeguard its biodiversity for future generations, balancing exploration with preservation. As Son Doong's fame spreads, so too do concerns about the impact of increased tourism on its pristine environment. To mitigate these risks, strict regulations govern access to the cave, with guided tours led by experienced caving professionals, ensuring minimal disruption to its fragile ecosystems. Conservation initiatives, including ongoing research and monitoring, seek to deepen our understanding of Son Doong's ecology and inform sustainable management practices. By striking a delicate balance between exploration and preservation, we can ensure that this natural wonder remains intact for generations to come. The delicate balance between human curiosity and environmental conservation underscores the need for responsible tourism practices and proactive conservation efforts. Sundung's allure lies not only in its breathtaking beauty, but also in its status as a living ecosystem, deserving of reverence and protection. A glimpse into Earth's epochs. Beyond its aesthetic allure, Sondung serves as a living testament to the Earth's geological history. Its formations, shaped by the erosive forces of water and time, offer a window into past climates, tectonic upheavals, and the evolutionary processes that have shaped our planet. By studying Sondung and other subterranean realms, scientists gain valuable insights into the Earth's dynamic processes, unraveling mysteries that transcend human lifetimes. The exploration of Sondung is not merely an adventure into the depths of the Earth. It is a journey through time itself, offering glimpses into epochs long past and providing clues to the future of our planet, challenges, and conservation efforts. As Sondung's popularity grows, it faces the challenge of balancing accessibility with the preservation. The influx of visitors brings both opportunities for economic growth and threats to the delicate ecosystem. To address these challenges, conservationists, local authorities, and tourism operators collaborate to implement sustainable practices, strict visitor quotas, guided tours led by knowledgeable guides, and designated pathways help minimize human impact on the cave's fragile formations and sensitive habitats. Furthermore, ongoing research and monitoring initiatives provide valuable data to inform conservation strategies and mitigate potential risks. By fostering a collaborative approach to conservation, stakeholders strive to ensure that Sondung remains a pristine sanctuary for generations to come. Cultural and educational significance. Beyond its geological marvels, Sondung holds cultural and educational significance for the local community and the world at large. For the indigenous people of the region, the cave holds spiritual importance, woven into the fabric of their cultural heritage. It serves as a symbol of reverence for the natural world and a source of inspiration for traditional beliefs and practices. Additionally, Sondung's exploration offers unparalleled educational opportunities, inspiring curiosity and wonder in the hearts of scientists, students, and adventurers alike. Through documentaries, research papers, and educational programs, the cave's discovery ignites a passion for exploration and environmental stewardship, fostering a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of life on Earth. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Sondung, we not only uncover the secrets of our planet's past, but also sow the seeds of curiosity and conservation for future generations, exploring new frontiers. Sondung's discovery represents more than just a geological marvel. It symbolizes humanity's enduring spirit of exploration and discovery. The cave serves as a frontier of scientific inquiry, offering a pristine laboratory for researchers to study unique ecosystems and geological processes. With every expedition into its depths, new discoveries are made, expanding our understanding of the natural world and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Sondung beckons intrepid explorers to venture into the unknown, to unravel its mysteries, and to embrace the inherent wonder of our planet. In doing so, we honor the legacy of past explorers, while charting a course for future generations to continue the quest for knowledge and understanding, preserving natural heritage. As guardians of our planet, we bear the responsibility to protect and preserve its natural treasures for future generations. Sondung Cave stands as a testament to the extraordinary beauty and resilience of Earth's ecosystems, reminding us of the profound interconnectedness of all life forms. by safeguarding Sundong and other fragile environments. We uphold the intrinsic value of biodiversity and reaffirm our commitment to sustainable stewardship of the planet through concerted conservation efforts and responsible tourism practices. We can ensure that Sundong remains a beacon of natural wonder for centuries to come, inspiring awe and reverence in all who have the privilege to behold its majesty. Fostering sustainable tourism practices are paramount in safeguarding Sundong's fragile ecosystem while allowing visitors to experience its grandeur responsibly. Local authorities and tour operators have implemented measures to minimize environmental impact, such as waste management strategies, eco-friendly infrastructure, and renewable energy initiatives. Education and awareness campaigns aim to instill a sense of responsibility among visitors, encouraging them to tread lightly and leave no trace. By promoting sustainable tourism, Sundong can continue to benefit local communities economically while preserving its natural heritage for future generations to enjoy. International collaboration and exchange. Sundong's discovery has sparked international interest and collaboration, fostering exchanges of knowledge, expertise, and resources among scientists or conservationists and adventurers from around the globe. Collaborative research projects delve into diverse fields, from geology and biology to archaeology and climatology, yielding valuable insights into the complexities of cave ecosystems and their significance in broader ecological contexts. International partnerships also support conservation efforts and community development initiatives, empowering local stakeholders and fostering cross-cultural understanding. Don't miss out on future expeditions and discoveries. Subscribe to our channel now and become part of our global community dedicated to exploration, conservation, and wonder.